Hi everyone, my name is Sharina and Sakai Rajan. I'm from SMK Bukit Mewah. Today, I would like to present my innovation Grow Green, an eco-friendly natural fertilizer made from fish water and organic kitchen waste. I created Grow Green, a natural fertilizer using fish water and organic waste such as vegetable scrap, fruit peel, eggshells, and dry leaves. Instead of throwing this material away, we recycle them into fertilizer. Every day, many households throw away fish water and kitchen waste. This material often become rubbish and can pollute the environment. At the same time, many people spend money on chemical fertilizers. Compost materials, vegetable and fruit peel, dry leaf, grass clipping, coffee ground or tea leaves, eggshells. Steps: first, layer green waste and brown waste. Second, keep it slightly moist, not soaking wet. Third, turn the pile once a week. Lastly, after 2 or 3 months, it's become dark, crumbly compost ready for plants. Natural fertilizer, fish waste contain nitrogen and potassium which help plants grow. Healthier growth, plants often grow greener and stronger because of the nutrient. Reduce waste. Instead of throwing away all aquarium water during water changes, you can reuse it. Eco-friendly. First, we collect organic waste. Next, we add fish water. The mixture is left to decompose naturally. Finally, we apply the fertilizer around the plant and water it regularly. Grow Green improves soil quality, provides natural nutrients, reduces household waste, lower gardening cost, and protect the environment because it contains no harmful chemicals. My innovation is simple, affordable, and suitable for every home and school. It encourages recycling and teaches students how to care for the environment while growing healthier plants. Grow Green transforms household waste into a useful natural fertilizer. It supports sustainable living, reduce pollution, and help plants grow naturally. We hope more families and schools will use this eco-friendly innovation. Thank you everyone for your time and attention. Together, let's protect our environment with Go Green. Thank you. Grow Green, eco-friendly natural fertilizer.